Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Here's a really easy, I love using the Polygon, six-sided Polygon to make like three-dimensional shapes. Really easy, just take the Polygon tool, six-sided, hold down the control button, hit P, put it in the center of the page. You can make a copy of it or just start again, but I'm gonna control D and then hold down the shift key and put it like right in about there. Now, you can take two two-point lines and just go from that node to that node. Make sure they're on the node, so it's got to be perfect. And then let's take a two-point line and put it from there to there. While that's selected, see, it even connected that line. Sometimes I don't like that Corel does that. Let's try this. Let's don't put those lines up there yet. Let's just put these lines. And then I'm going to control D and make a duplicate. And then just move this thing over, holding the control button. Now we can select those two lines, go up to effects and blend. I blended them 6 times on the other one. I'm going to just blend them 4 to make the stripes a little thicker. Because we need a 1, 2, that'll work perfect. You need a even amount so you've got color on both sides. Now let's take that two-point line and go from there to there and there to there. Now I would select everything and group this together, Control G, and you'll see why in just a minute. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, use any color you like, and fill in every other swat. I did one more on this one. But my nudge factor is set on 20, so I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I am going to combine this. So it's really all one curve now. And then I can get out the interactive fill tool and do whatever you want to here. You know, make it darker, lighter, change your scale, you know, put in more color, midway, whatever you want to do. But then I would strongly suggest, and let's bring in our indexing lines that are in the center of the page. I would strongly suggest when you're doing this to go to edit and clone that group. Then double click on the rotation and rotate it 60 degrees. And then you can control D, control D, control D, control D. And the reason we made the clone, let me take away the indexing line, is we can go back to the interactive fill tool and completely change this thing and watch it. I call it in live view because you can see it completely change all of them because you cloned it. And you could, you know, there's a lot you could do with it depending on what you're trying to get by with. I mean, that's almost too much, but you could always put another, so you could, well, let's do a lot of, and I'll show you how it's really changes because you're cloning. So one more light blue. Now you'd probably not ever want to do this, but look how it, when you change it, look how it changes at them all. And you could move this handle and get completely different looks. Of course, I like just what we had at the very start to make it look like it's going in and out of the other place, kind of darkness. You know, if you start in the middle, they're all, because they're combined, they're kind of grouped together. Bring that black down a little bit. Anyway, fun little project. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.